Hey, what's up guys, it's Jasmine Rozay and I'm back with another video. So today I'm just going to be showing you how I do some medium-sized passion twists on my client. I want to just start off first by going ahead and parting out the hair. I'm doing the rubber band method, so I'm just going to go ahead and do all of that first and then start on adding the hair. So right here, I'm just showing you the hair. I use about 3 strands and then I fluff them out to make sure it gets, makes it more fuller. And then I'm going to use my crochet and crochet the hair onto her section right here. And I'm just gonna pull one side out so that it's hair on both sides. And then I'm gonna use the edge, Murray's Edge wax, to put on her hair so that the hair can kind of stay in the twist. She has very soft fine hair, so I just want to make sure it's nice and secure for her. And then I'm just going to go ahead and start twisting all the way down, making sure that I have a nice amount of pressure on the twist and it's not loose. So I'm just going to continue to do that all over her head, making sure that it's nice and neat. I put the edge wax on her hair so that it can blend in. And then just go ahead and start twisting it all the way to the end. Whenever I do like the rubber band method, I try not to make sure, try not to make the rubber bands too tight because then it puts a lot of tension on the hair. So just making sure that it's not tight, but not too loose either. So we finally made it to the top, and I'm just gonna continue just filling the hair. This style took about 5 hours for us to do, and we did big sections, so I guess if you do smaller section, it may take a little longer to do. And if you already had the hair like pre-stretched, then that will make it go a little faster too. So next time I'll probably just go ahead and buy that little rack, that braiders use, because I don't usually do braids or anything like that, but I'm starting to do that since I started doing my natural hair specialist course, which I'm going to be talking about later on. So yeah, just going to continue to just finish out her hair, and then I will be back to show you all the finished look in just a second. So here is the final look. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know if you like this video, and I'll be back soon. Peace.